Hey, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Tonight we're going to look at an HLookup formula. I recommend watching the tutorial I did on the VLOOKUP first to make sure you're fully aware of the workings of that. It's very similar to a VLOOKUP. Instead of using columns and going vertically, we're going to use rows. And we're going to look horizontally using the rows to determine the data. So for the example here, we just have student details. We have just students randomly selected 1 through 8. The student name here, score, and symbol. So diving into a quick example here, we're going to say equals HLookup, open parentheses. The driver here is going to be the student name, so we're going to hit F4 3 times just to lock the column, hit comma, and now the data point here is going to be in this data set here. We'll start with the student name, work our way over. Let's go down and select what we want, hit F4 to lock the range, comma, and now we want to go down rows rather than across columns like the VLOOKUP. So going down rows, the first one would be the student name, the second one would be the score, which is what we want. So we're going to say 2, comma 0. 0 will choose false. You can write false as well, but that'll give you an exact match. Close parentheses, and that'll give us the score. Let's copy it over, and in this case for symbol, we want to go down 1, 2, 3. So let's change that 2 there to a 3. We're going down 3 rows. Hit enter, and you can see there now we've got the score and the symbol. We'll just copy it over quickly across all of them, and you can see here for the different students we've got their name, score, and symbol, and that is an HLookup formula.